Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to do the screen recording on this device. To do the screen recording, simply go to the control center. So you will get the screen recording option from your control center. If you will not get the option from there, simply customize your control center. To customize the control center, tap on the plus icon on the top left side. Otherwise, press and hold the blank area of the control center. Now at the bottom you can see the option add a control. Select this one. So here you can see the option screen recording. Tap on this one. Now you can see the screen recording option is here. Simply you can resize this one. And if you want to change the position, then you can also change the position. That's it. Now you can see the screen recording option is here. To record the screen, to start the screen, just tap on the device. Now you can see the countdown is started. Yeah, now the recording is started. So simply I am going to move the screen. Then just to stop the recording, just go to the control center, then tap on the stop button. You can see recording saved to your photos. If you go to your photos, now here at the bottom you can see the recorded video you can see here. So simply in this way we can do the screen recording on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.